Your grandfather often tells you about the good old times. He recalls having breakfast for 2 rupees 50 paise. Your jaws drop in awe. But if he knew simple math of compounding, you would check out if he were really better off. Your grandfather earned and spent his money several years ago, while you do so now. The value of money then and now is not comparable. Inflation would have modified the value of money over time. Either you discount your current earning and expenses to go back to your grandpa's time, or you compound his rupees to your time now. Let us enter this data into a spreadsheet to understand the time value of money. Money spent 50 years ago was 2 rupees 50 paise. Inflation rate, let's assume, was 7% per annum. If grandpa bought his breakfast now, how much would he pay? Let's type in the formula to compound the value of 2 rupees 50 paise. The result is 73 rupees 64 paise. We have compounded 2 rupees 50 paise by the rate 7% over 50 years to get 73 rupees 64 paise. We can do the same thing by using the Microsoft Excel function FV. Click on FX from the status bar at the top of the sheet. Enter the inflation rate here. Against NPER, enter the number of years over which the compounding has to be done. The next parameter, PMT, is to be skipped for this calculation. Against PV or present value, enter the cost of the breakfast paid by grandpa. In the PV cell, add a minus sign against the value which has to be compounded. The next parameter, type, can also be skipped for this calculation. The result 73 rupees 64 paise matches the result obtained by using the compounding formula. If you paid 60 rupees for your breakfast today, you are actually better off than grandpa's 2 rupees 50 paise breakfast 50 years ago, as it is 73 rupees in today's terms. Before being taken in by plain numbers that are simply not comparable, do some financial math. While you are at it, you will realize that if you paid 250 rupees for your breakfast today, and if you face the same inflation rate, your breakfast would cost you 7,000 rupees 364 after 50 years. How's that for time value of money?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.